Is it clear to everyone? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Who is saying?
Ma'am, you have to write in copy.
Beta,
Yes, ma'am.
this was your homework. I hope you have done this as your homework, this question. Yes, if you have written, then you not need to write it again. If you have not written, then you can note it down. But this was your homework, children. Janvi, Pratyush Singh, Mriganshi Yadav, Ronak Yadav, Arush, Mani Tripathi, Rudra Kumar Yadav. You have raised your hand, beta. Do you have any doubt? You have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, quickly
No,
lower your
ma'am.
hand. Swastik, yes, beta, what happened? Why you have raised your hand? Quickly tell me, beta. I have to start multiplication by 3-digit number also. Children, it is very important for you to know how to do multiplication by 2-digit number. If you have learned how to do multiplication by 2-digit number, then it will be very easy for you to do multiplication by 3-digit number. So I hope that is it clear to everyone that how we have to do multiplication by 2-digit number. Again, I am asking, if you have any doubt, you can ask it right now. I have allowed mic, beta. I have allowed your mic. So those who have doubt, then they can ask.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now I am starting. Okay, children, quickly write down this heading in your next page. Multiplication by 3-digit number. So let us take one number. Example, let us take one example. You have to multiply write today's date, beta. Multiply 46 by 326. So you have to multiply 46 by 326. Now children, what you will do, you will write first 46 here and 326. चिल्ड्रन यू कैन डू वाइस वर्सा. आप बेटा 326 को भी ऊपर लिख सकते हो और 46 को नीचे. बट why I have not written like that? Because the question is saying, because we are doing multiplication by 3-digit numbers, that's why I have written 3-digit numbers below. Okay, okay, is that clear? Yes, yes, Varun Dev, is that clear, beta? That's why show me the thumbs up, everyone. Okay, I am allowing your mic. Yes, is that clear? Why we have written 326 below?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are doing multiplication by 3-digit number. That's why we have written 326 below. Okay. Otherwise, you can, if the question is not mentioned, then you can write 326 above and the other number 46 below. Okay. Now, children, what we have to do? Same like we did in 2-digit multiplication. We will also do multiplication by 3-digit. First, you will multiply by these two numbers by 6. Okay. Quickly multiply it. 6 6 are 36. So you will write 6 here and 3 will carry it forward. 6 4s is 24. Yes? 6 4s are?
Your voice,
Ma'am, 6 4s are 24.
24.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Then you add
ma'am,
then you will add 3 into it. So 24 plus 3 is 27. So you will write 27 here. Now children, you have multiplied. आपने 6 को इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया और इससे भी मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया. Yes? Now what you will do? Now children, अब आपको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Yes children? यहाँ तक is it clear? Till here is it clear everyone?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what we will do? Now we have to multiply. 6 से कर लिया. Now we will multiply with 2. So children, when we will move forward. अब हम 2 के पास पहुंचेंगे. So what we will write? यहाँ पे सबसे पहले you will write 1 0 here. Then you will start doing multiplication. ऐसा हमने 2 digit number में भी करा था. Yes बेटा, show me your thumbs up. Everyone? Yes. So now as you have written 0 here, you can start doing multiplication. अब 2 को पहले इससे multiply करो. 2 6 are 12. 2 will come here, 1 will move, carry it forward. Now you will multiply 2 by 4. इसको ऐसे multiply करो. Okay, so 2 4s is 8 plus 1. जो ऊपर 1 है carried, उसको आप plus करोगे. So it will become 9. Okay. Till here, is it clear to everyone? Children, first understand this. Then you can write. I will give you time. Then you can write it.
ma'am.
Book.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Prithvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prithvi Raj. Oh, sorry. Prithvi. Beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Prithvi, beta. Damodar.
Ma'am.
Is it clear? Okay. Prithvi Raj Jangit. Yes, beta. Is it clear?
Ma'am, I have to write this question.
Wait, beta. Let me ask Prithvi. Is it clear to you, beta? Unmute yourself, Prithvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Naisha, is it clear to you? Gurkirat, Shubham.
Ma'am, please check my work.
Beta, wait. Right now, I cannot check your work. I am explaining it. Beta, wait. You can match your answer. After I finish, you can tally your answer. So, children, now you have multiplied by 2. अब जो remaining number है, your remaining number is 3. Okay, so you have multiplied by 6, you have multiplied by 2. Now the remaining number is 3. So, beta, what you will do? Now you have to write 2 0 here. अब ये वाला और यहाँ 0 लगाओगे. Now you will start doing multiplication. 3 6 are 18, so 8 will come here and 1 will carry forward. 3 4s is 12 plus 1 is 13. Now beta, what you will do? You will do the addition. Is it clear to you? Yes. Till here, is it clear? If you have any doubt, I can repeat it again. Yes, Vivek, Archana, Arav Singh,
No, ma'am.
Manish.
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Arush.
No, ma'am. I have no doubt.
Yes, Arush. Yes, Arush.
Ma'am, जब मैं नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes, Arush, I'm allowing your mic. Yes, beta, what happened? Unmute
Ma'am.
yourself, Arush.
मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा ना तो 1 से नहीं आ रहा है. यही वाला.
Beta, what happened? Now children, okay, Arush, I'm taking your doubt. Now beta, what you have to do, अब आपको इन सारे numbers को add कर देना, okay? Quickly tell me what will be the answer. इन सबको add करके what will be the answer? Quickly tell me in your chat box. Yes, Arush, now you can ask your doubt.
मैम 46 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 326 का अराउंड, तो ये आंसर नहीं आ रहा है 276।
आप कैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो? देखो आरुष 46, देखो ये 46 है, उसको आप किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो? फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऐसे कैसे कर रहे हो बताओ?
मैम 6 की टेबल पर 6 की टेबल में 6 एग्जैक्ट
36, ओके 36 होता है ना?
यस मैम।
Here 6 4s is
मैम 24।
और आप 3 ऐड करोगे, ये जो 3 कैरिड फॉरवर्ड हुआ क्या होगा आंसर?
27।
अब आ गया? यस बेटा?
यस मैम।
Okay, so the answer is, okay, let us check. Vartika Singh, Ankita Ghosh, Naisha. Okay, let me check the answer, ma'am. Yes, Arya. Okay, let me check. Here it will come 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 11, 19. 1 will carry forward 4 and 1. So your answer is it same? Yes, beta, good. Excellent. Good, Kirat, very good. Priyansh Pandey, good. Excellent. Janvi, very good. Quickly note down this in your notebook. Krishna Kumar, Gautam, Reganshu, Janvi. Excellent, beta. Very good.
मैम आई हैव
Yes, Pratiksha, very good. Excellent. I can see your screen. Good, beta. Okay, children. So, take out exercise 5.5. Do question number 1, 2 and 3 quickly. Question number 1. Have you noted down this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise 5.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
Now children, those who have doubt, only they will raise it, their hand. Yes, Natik, what happened? Yes, Natik, unmute yourself.
मैम जो आप ये क्वेश्चन करवा रही हैं मैम ये कौन से पेज नंबर पे है?
Beta 5.5, you have to open page number 52. Page number 52. Yes, Ankita, unmute yourself. Yes, Pratyush, what happened?
Then I have some doubts that which page have we done the work?
Beta, open page number 52 in your maths book. Exercise 5.5. Question number 1, 35. You have to multiply 35 by 130. Quickly tell me the answer, children. Then your question number 2 is 48 multiplied by 201. Better now see here 0, children, you know that when you multiply any number by 0, your product will be
हमने next page में लिखना है 2550.
okay. So children, we know that when we multiply any number by 0, our product will be 0. So here you will write 0. When you multiply 0 by 5.
Ma'am, we have to do it in next page.
Yes, do in next page. 0. Okay, so you have multiplied by
Okay, ma'am.
now you have to multiply by 3. So what you will do, first you will write here 0. Then you will start doing multiplication by the other number. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 5. Yes, Anushka, show me your work.
Ma'am,
3 multiplied by 5. 50.
yes ma'am.
1 will carry it forward. 3 3 is 9 and plus 1 10. Okay. Now children, when you will multiply by 1, अभी जो next number से आप multiply करोगे, what you have to do, you will write 2 zeros first.
मैंने कर लिया.
Then we will start doing multiplication. 1 multiplied by, when we multiply any number by 1, we will get the number itself. Our product will be same number. So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Then what you will do, you will do the addition. You will sum up all these numbers.
And the answer is 46,050.
4,550.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, good. Quickly do question number 2. Yes, Akarshak, what happened, beta? Quickly tell me the answer in chat box. Chat box. Yes, good, Vartika. Krishna Kumar Gupta, good. Good, Janvi. Ansi, good. So I hope you have not calculated this with your calculator. खुद से करा है ना बेटा? आरुष, आरुष, do it again. Arush, do it again. Note down your homework, children. Okay, so question number 3 to question number 18 is your homework. Any doubt, children? You can ask now.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have one. Fan 18.